Hi, this is my M5 Final Hackathon project, and it is based on my M3 Final Hackathon. So for this project, I firstly install import required libraries, and I load data from Google Drive. I did data cleaning, feature engineering, and I trained PyCarry regression model, and I evaluate model performance by metrics like RMSE, MAE, R squared, MAPE. And then let me answer the two questions. The first is about RAI principle and fairness. This question. So have two small questions about how did you ensure your model adheres to RAI principles, and what steps did you take to address fairness and bias? In my project, I prioritized responsible AI RAI principle by implementing fairness checks and bias detection techniques. One of the key steps I took was analyzing how the model performs across different demographic groups, particularly across neighborhood groups, since location can heavily influence pricing predictions. I computed RMSE per neighborhood to ensure that the model does not systematically favor or disadvantage certain areas. To further mitigate bias, um, I analyzed the distribution of predicted prices across neighborhoods and room types. If significant disparities were found, I investigated potential causes such as data imbalance or certain neighborhoods being underrepresented in the training set. Additionally, I ensure that all features used in training were relevant and did not introduce indirect discrimination. One major challenge was that neighborhood group column has been one-hot encoded. I performed one-hot encoding before training PyCarry regression model, so it makes fairness analysis more complex. To address this, I reconstructed the categorical column and visualized the distribution of predictions using box plots. This allowed me to detect systematic errors and make informed adjustments to improve fairness. Through this step, I ensure that my model adheres to RAI principles to be transparent, accountable, and fair. Now for the second question, improving model interpretability. It also have two small questions. One is, what method did you use to make your model interpretive? And the other is, how do these methods support ethical decision making? To make my model more interpretable, I employed the SHARP and the LIME, LIME, SHARP, SHAP. These tools allow me to understand feature importance and individual predictions, ensuring that the model's decisions were not only accurate but also explainable. I use Sharp to analyze global feature importance, showing how variables like room type, latitude, and availability 365 influenced predictions. This helped me ensure that no unexpected or biased features were overly influencing result. By visualizing sharp summary plot, I could confirm that the model was making decisions based on local factors such as demand and location. For them was used to explain individual predictions, helping me identify cases where the model might be over reliant on certain features. By perturbing input data and observing challenges in output, LIME provided insight into how specific listings were priced. This method also supported the ethical decision making by allowing me to detect and address any outliers or inconsistencies. Overall, by combining these two interpretability techniques with fairness evaluations, I ensure that model I try to ensure and my model is not only accurate but also accountable and ethical sound. And this is my project. Thank you.